What is today, Micheline, then?
Annie's birthday.
You need to pray for God for Annie today. Annie, I love you too much. My first daughter, your birthday is today. God bless you. God give you too much thing you need. I bless you for all the things for your life. I love you, my baby. Michelle, can you tell Michelle Annie something today?
Happy birthday. Thanks for being the best sister ever, and I love you so much. And cheers to 24 years.
Danny, you too can tell me something.
Happy birthday, and thanks for taking care of me and letting me come over and cooking me
Good boy.
food. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Okay, you can sing now for Annie's birthday today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Annie. Happy birthday to you. Mbuta mama lamu. Mbuta mama lamu. Mbuta mama lamu, Annie. Mbuta mama lamu. I'm not the singer. My voice is not good. My voice is not good, so I sing for you, Annie. Okay? Okay, sing the last time. And you can go to cooking something for breakfast. Happy birthday to you. Dancing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Annie. Happy birthday to you. Dancing, cuckoo. Okay, bye.